Let's be honest, saving for your kids' future can feel a bit daunting. But a 529 plan is a brilliant way to build a nest egg while enjoying some serious tax benefits. Start by understanding the different types of savings and prepare and choose the one that best suits your family's needs. Once you've picked a plan, it's time to contribute regularly. Even small, consistent amounts add up over time, thanks to the power of compounding. Consider setting up automatic transfers from your current account to make it effortless. Don't forget about state tax deductions. Many states offer incentives for contributing to 529 plans, which can significantly boost your savings. Research your local options to see how you can maximize your tax relief. It's a win-win. This video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice.